Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, all of you, please be waiting while other participants are connecting.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. So, first of all, good evening, everyone. Yes, first of all, I request all of you to turn on your videos as I have instructed earlier. So previously, I have instructed you to turn on your videos. Okay, thank you. And one more thing. So first of all, I would like to congratulate those participants who have sent the videos. Videos are exactly in the content. So whatever we instructed to make it. Yes. So the actual content was given there. That's what. And your creativity was also excellent. Yes. We would honestly say that you have improved a lot. Yes. So actually, making the fun, creating a video is not a matter, but adding the points. So listen, let's talk about activity 2. So on activity 2, we have to focus on those model verbs, correct? Suggestions and advice, correct? And the people you have sent the particular videos with the proper content. So we were so grateful to receive such impressive videos. Yes, we were so glad. We were so happy to receive those videos. Thank you so much for your efforts. Thank you so much for your supports. And the remaining participants, and you were interested to create videos. Unfortunately, you had some issues. We understood it as you told us. ஸோ ஒரு சிலர் வந்துட்டு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டடா இருந்தீங்க, ரொம்ப இன்வால்மெண்ட் எடுத்து ஈவன் யூ ஹேவ் ப்ரிப்பேர்டு ஃபார் இட். ஸோ அதுக்கான ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் கூட நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. இருந்தாலும் ஒரு சில சுச்சுவேஷன் காரணம்னால உங்களால அந்த வீடியோஸை கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியல. நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, ஸோ we don't mind. Even after the completion of the course, you can send those videos. Okay. Yes, I'm telling about Kasturi ma'am. Yes, Kasturi ma'am. Yes, ma'am was so interested to create videos. As everybody knows, she is an active person, active participant who involves in every activity. But she could not complete the video and she was very worried. So she requested me. So no problem, Kasturi ma'am. So when you get opportunity, when you get time, you can create the video with your son or daughter and send it to us. Okay. So we will be glad to receive even that video. Okay, ma'am. Super.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much. And yes, we have come to an end of our course. Yes, it was like a jet, correct? So we didn't know where we started. You know,
Good afternoon, sir.
in the yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. So our course was little fast, correct? So we completed the course with all your support. Yes, I would honestly say, and I always kept telling you, you made job very easy, correct? You
Yes, sir.
always did it. Yes. So thank you for so helpful. Thank you for being so supportive and interactive in the classroom. And thank you for making the class so impressive and fun. Yes, we enjoyed a lot in the sessions, correct? So thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much. And we hope we will be speaking English in your surroundings, correct? So
Yes, sir.
please do not listen. Please do not stop talking English even after the completion of the course.
Okay.
Okay. So, and as far as I'm concerned, yes, I have given my 100% of efforts, correct? And I would
Yeah, sir.
honestly say again, you have, every one of you has given your 100% efforts. Yes, we could see from the
இல்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி
assessment. Assessment மூலியமா நீங்க எவ்வளவு எஃபர்ட்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? ஸோ உங்களோட வீடியோஸ், the way you interacted, ஸோ இது மூலியமா நீங்க எவ்வளவு எஃபர்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு எங்களால புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். எஸ், now in this session we are going to have a farewell session. Okay, so we can share our experience, so whatever we learned, so you can share about these things. Okay, so anybody can start talking and you can share your thoughts with us.
Yes, sir. May I, sir?
Yes, yes, Kasturi.
Yes, sir. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank for our management, sir, and our team
Great, great.
for a wonderful opportunity, sir. Now I can able to speak in English, sir.
Okay.
I will confidently speak in English. Sir, especially thank for you, sir, for effective teaching.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your effective teaching, sir. We will miss our team, sir.
Really, ma'am. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, don't
it is
forget
one
the
of my
first
favorite batches.
batch, sir. Yes, sir. Don't forget the first batch, sir.
Yes, definitely not. Definitely not.
Yes,
I will
sir.
not
Yes, sir.
forget even a single person. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We wish you all to grateful future, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir. We will miss our sisters, our participants.
yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Just tell me, how did you speak English at home? So how did you feel when you started talking English at home first time? First
I
time.
feel
So first
very
time you were
confidently. Yes, first time I will talk about nervous, some grammatical mistake. Now I confidently speak in English with my son, sir.
Superb. So nice to know
Always
this.
teaching to him, sir.
Very good. So you keep teaching them. Super. Super.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So thank
Thank
so
you,
much,
thank you,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you for the effective
Yes.
teaching, sir.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
that
And
only
we
I
hope-
can able to speak in English, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yes. Anybody else?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you for our
next
team, sir.
person.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. ma'am. Yes, Dhanabhagyam, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I would like to express our sincere thanks to the chairman and the team of Mount Litra Z Senior Secondary School to give an excellent opportunity to move us one step forward in our ambition. This course creates more interest to improve us. Especially thanks to Gobi sir. I'm try to improve as through spoken English with my son. Thank you.
Great. Excellent. Excellent. Super. So keep talking English at home. Okay. Super. Yes, Sharmila, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, very good afternoon, ma'am.
Firstly, thank you for considering my suggestion, sir.
Very good. Yes. Actually, we are having combined class because of Sharmila ma'am's suggestion. Yes, she was the person who suggested us to do this. Great. Super.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank to our management, for this wonderful opportunity, sir. This course is very useful to the mothers. Our hearty thanks to our trainee Gopi sir and Kritika ma'am. He is such a wonderful trainer for us. We have to complete this course today. We miss you, all of us, all of the participants. I will improve our knowledge better, sir.
Very good. So we will also
Thank you so
miss
much,
you.
sir. Have
Yes.
a great ahead, sir.
So each participant will be our mind every time. Yes, ma'am. So thank you
Don't
so much.
forget all of us, sir.
No, no. So we do not forget anybody.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you so much for your cooperation. Great, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, Janani, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Actually, today I also felt like it's like farewell. First, I like to thank our management team and Gopi sir and Kritika ma'am for making this great arrangement. There is no end to education, right, sir? We should never stop learning. There is no age limit to learn something new. So we should never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Right, sir?
Very good. Yes.
Yeah.
Every day
Our
we
life
have to
is a
learn
great
something
teacher.
new. Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
So, if some people may say, we are parents, why we have to study? We have to teach our children is enough. For that, they may feel. For them, I have said this, sir. We have to learn at any age, if we want to.
Very good. Yes, ma'am. Excellent. Yeah, and you proved it. You people, you proved it.
Yes, sir. Each homemakers have lots and lots of work in home. Even though they have lots of work, they try to attend the class without missing each and every portion. They are very eager to start learning. Even though from my opinion, even though I know to speak English, but I didn't start. I didn't start to speak within the home. Once if one person is starting to speak English, it's motivated me to start to speak in English. That I improved myself.
Yes. Our course was the key to begin it. Correct, ma'am? Great, great.
Thank you,
Super,
sir.
ma'am. Well efforted. And how creative your videos were. Yes, ma'am. So we were so happy.
Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
And your second video
Sir,
was
actually, each video.
extraordinary. Yes. You know,
Actually, I thought I can do in this way or not. I am very confused. But okay, if we send it is okay, then okay. If it is not okay, also I am okay. Then that's why I
very
have
good.
sent.
So whatever the reaction may be, you were
Yes,
about
sir.
to accept it, correct? Super.
Yes, sir.
ma'am,
In
super.
our life also, sir. We
Great,
should
ma'am.
ignore
Excellent,
it.
excellent.
Negativity.
How sportive you are. Really great, really great.
Thank
You
you.
know,
Thank you, sir.
People think if we don't have any companion, we cannot make a conversation, correct? So people usually think, so if we want to make a conversation, we need to get a pair, correct? We need to get a person who supports us, correct? But Janani ma'am's child is a toddler, correct?
Sir.
Even it doesn't even talk. So
Yes, sir.
made a video without anybody's help. Very good, ma'am. So great effort,
Thank you.
and we could see how active you were in the classroom. Correct. So I
Yes, sir.
observed something, ma'am, Janani, ma'am. So on the first day, you spoke the language, and the previous video, both languages are completely different. Yes, I would say this. Yes,
Thank you.
the usage of, and I like the way you played with grammar. Really great. Super, man. Super. Yes, next person. Yeah, Ambika, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I would like
Yeah,
to thanks to you and your management, sir, because you remembered my school life experience after a long period. I enjoyed this session very much, sir. I never forget this experience in my future life. Not only
very good.
for English, sir, but also nice entertainment, useful course, sir. I motivate myself to learn more things like driving, etc. Age is not a big problem. I learned from this session, sir.
Very good, ma'am. So it should not end with us, correct? It should reach
Yes,
others
sir.
too, correct? So we have to promote it to
Yes, sir. Yes,
others,
sir. Yes, sir.
correct? Because we may not take this
Yes, sir.
free classes for 1 year or 10 years, correct? So once in a blue moon, we get these kind of great opportunity to learn English, correct? So once in a blue moon, எப்பயாவது
sir.
ஒரு டைம் மட்டும்தான் இந்த மாதிரியான ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். So we grab those opportunities and we also help others to do it, correct? So
Yes, sir.
please promote this free online courses to your neighbors, brothers, sisters, and your
I already
relatives.
sent 2%, sir.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. So thank you so much for adding people. Super, ma'am.
Okay.
And we might have made you to feel emotional, correct? When you were talking about your school life, correct, ma'am? Yes, we could observe it.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
I like my school life, sir. That's why this class gave that experience. Remembered my past life.
Yes, we made you to remember it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Such a wonderful moment we have come across, correct?
Yes, sir.
That was school.
But today I
Correct.
finished that is I have small feeling.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Even we feel something worried. And I wish this class extends for a year, correct? So I also wish the same. So whatever it may be, we have to complete it today, correct?
Yes, sir.
With the misty eyes.
2 months,
Correct.
okay.
Super.
1 month is not enough, sir.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
missing.
Exactly. Yes. Exactly. Thank you so much for being so attentive in the classroom. Super, ma'am. Yes, next person is Sangeeta, ma'am. Yes, very good evening, ma'am. So please turn on your video, ma'am. Okay, you may start, ma'am.
I would like to thank Chairman Sir, Gopi Sir, Kritika Ma'am, and all the staff members to giving this opportunity for us, sir. At the same time, I wish every participant to take care of us. We have learned spoken English through us. Our children learn grammar when my son said, Mom learned grammar. Through that, I can answer to my teachers. Hearing of that, I feel proud that I can learn English.
Yeah, yes.
I'm very proud to participate in spoken English class. I tried very well. Nowadays, I'm speaking in English with my children.
Yes, ma'am. The best language. You are speaking the best language. Yes, actually, we could feel, correct. So the person who spoke English on first day is not here now, correct. So first classல நீங்க எப்படி பேசுறீங்களோ அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் அதே பேசுறீங்களா அப்படின்னு கேட்டா கிடையாது. Yes, you have improved a lot. Yes, and one more thing, very few participants were struggling to start. When they started talking, yes, they got the fluent. Yes, we understand it. Great efforts, ma'am. And especially Sangeeta ma'am. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am has put the great effort. Super, ma'am.
I wish all the best to all of us.
Thank you. Thank you
you,
so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, next person, Malati ma'am. Malati ma'am. So please unmute your audio. Yes, good
First of
evening.
all, I convey my heart thanks to management, sir,
Okay, thank you
because
so
they
much.
selected you for us. This course was an unforgettable moment for us, sir, because your activities designed by you in this class were very impressive and fun, like interaction, etc. Then your teaching was very impressive, and I am also a teacher. It's a good model, role model for you, sir, for me, sir.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay. So please do not tell these kind of such big words. Okay. So actually, I'm a learner. Okay. On the first day itself, I might have told you, because I'm not only talking to mothers, participants, I'm also talking to teachers. Correct? Yes. Everyone is a teacher. Yes. As well, everyone is a learner. Correct, ma'am? Super. And I have learned
Yes, sir.
many
You told
things
like
from you people.
good learners. I like that sentence. Thought.
Yes, ma'am.
Good
Thank
listeners
you so much.
are good learners.
Really, ma'am.
Yes, sir. But every day is a learning day to all, because art is long but life is short. So I take a pledge in this time, sir. I must keep English speaking atmosphere at my home and my school also, sir. I am a maths teacher,
Great, ma'am.
but I will develop my students in English also, sir.
Okay, why shouldn't we clap for Malati, ma'am? Yes, we shall. Great, ma'am. So, ma'am has taken the pledge even. Excellent, ma'am. Great. So,
Thank you.
this is what improves us. This is what makes us motivated. Great, ma'am. So, not only at home, but also wherever she goes. Maybe school, at the workplaces. Excellent, ma'am. Excellent. Great.
Yes, I am working in a government school, sir. They are all poor children. So I take a pledge this time to develop their speaking skill in English.
Wow. Super.
Okay, sir.
Super.
I wish you on behalf of all the participants, sir. Bright teacher is waiting for you, sir.
Thank you.
And
Thank
I
you
miss
so
all the participants. And I wish Janani ma'am, Kasuri ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, and they are good initiators and active participants.
Really,
So
really, they are so active.
Thank you,
Even
ma'am.
I
Thank you.
would
Thank
like to
you so
say
much.
something with Malati ma'am's permission. Actually,
if you
you
can't,
were also active, ma'am. Not only they, really.
but they
You
are
know
very
how
initiative.
active she was. Even she was not well. She took classes from the hospital,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So actually, this made us so pleasant, ma'am. Really. So this made us so
I
pleasant.
told your
Even
class.
she was not well. She had taken the classes from the hospital. Great, great, ma'am.
Thank you,
Really.
sir.
So I was so content of listening to that. I felt that my job is fully satisfied from your words. Really. Thank you
Thank
so much, ma'am. Okay, next person. Yes, Ganga, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Turn on your video,
I start,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
start
You
the
may start.
session, sir. I would like to appreciate the thanks to our team. It is, I think it is a teamwork. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So really, I'm very thankful to our team. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am. So we
thanks
could
for
complete
being an
this
amazing.
only with our team's support.
Yeah. Thanks for being an amazing mentor.
Okay.
I already told each participant is not a student. Everyone is a mother. Yes?
Yes.
We have lots and lots of work at home, but still we are learners. I'm very proud. I'm also a homemaker. So,
Yes, ma'am. So, even during this, Ganga ma'am, I will get back to you. Yes, in between. Yes, Sasikala ma'am, you may start.
Good evening, sir. First of all, I thank you, sir, and the management, sir.
Okay.
Your teaching was good, sir. Firstly, I thought it's not possible within 30 days, but now I got some clarity to speak in English, sir.
Yes.
It was very useful, and the worksheets are very useful, sir. It was very useful to improve my communicative skills and my grammatical skills.
Yes.
And the co-participants also teached me a lot. I missed 2 classes. I felt I missed a lot, sir. Each of 30
Okay.
days is very important to me. But I didn't forget that this 30 days, sir. Firstly, I don't care about the grammar when I was talking before attend the class, but now I had a clarity with the grammar, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So actually, Sasikala ma'am said she did not have hope to learn English in just 30 days. Yes, it can be done.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Our interest matters, correct? Yes. Our
Yes,
interest
sir.
matters. Yes. So it happened only on your great support. Okay. So
Okay.
your great support helped to improve this. Superman. So you well tried. Whenever you spoke to me, I could feel it. Yes, ma'am. Great, great. Even Sasikala ma'am has requested me. She has missed 2 sessions. Yes, I told her. So in the batch B, I will add you on these 2 days. Yes. So whenever you missed it, so just tell me. I will add you on these 2 days. அந்த 2 ஸ்பெஷல் செஷன்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சரிங்களா? Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So please do not feel bad. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So next person is Suganya, ma'am. Suganya, ma'am. Please unmute your audio.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am. So
Sir.
you may share your experience with us.
First of all, I thank you very much, sir, for your great effort, sir. Maximum you are called me Sundar Suganya, so I confused, sir.
Okay, okay. So actually, yeah, ma'am. If 2 participants are in the same name, I called full name, ma'am. So I always called Sundar Suganya, ma'am. Correct. So
No
here
problem,
only one
sir. No
Suganya ma'am is
problem.
present. That's what. Okay, okay. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, your teaching is too good, sir. I have eager to learn spoken English, but I didn't take effort, sir. But this class is too useful to me. You give a big opportunity, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sir. Sir, I feel very bad, sir, because many classes I attended, sir. Didn't attend.
Okay. Oh, did not attend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
As I previously told you, so this opportunity should not end with us. Correct. So it should reach each and every person who is around us. Correct. So நம்மளை சுத்தி இருக்க எல்லாரையுமே இந்த ஒரு opportunity reach பண்ணணும். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? So repeat again. Yes, I repeat again, we get this kind of such great opportunities once in a blue moon. Rarely. So ரொம்ப rare-ஆ நம்ம இந்த மாதிரியான opportunities நமக்கு கிடைக்கப்படும். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? So we should also help others to learn it. Nucleus. Okay. So please
I
do
already
not
sent to
fail
my
to-
friends, sir.
Great, ma'am.
I already sent to my friends.
Super. Ask them to contact us. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Most important, hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How to
I could
create
hear
a good situation in classroom situation, sir. You create a
Yes, ma'am.
super, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I could only do
Okay,
it with your great efforts, with your support. Very good, ma'am. So each and every participant has been so supportive to us. That's what my team and I could do this. Correct? Thank you so much for being so supportive. Yes. And on behalf of our management, I request all of you to invite your friends and family members to join the batch.
Okay, sir.
B.
Sure.
Okay? Thank you. Yes,
Okay.
Ganga ma'am. Yes, ma'am has not completed. Well, please complete.
Yes, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, I would like to say, please. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we can hear.
Okay. In this way, நான் எப்படி என்னோட குழந்தையை ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுன்றதை சொல்லிடுறேன். I
Yes.
could not force our children to learn theoretically all time.
Yes.
Okay. Let us do something innovative and in an activity-oriented learning. So please, parents, we are all parents. Yes.
Yes.
So please don't force your children in a theoretical way.
Yes. Actually, we could observe you how you deal with your children. Yes, ma'am. By your video, by
Yes, sir.
watching your video, we could observe how innovative you teach them.
Yes, sir. That's why I say I told that's why I told you that kind of matter in this session.
Very good.
ஏன்னா அப்பதான் பசங்க வந்து இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றாங்க நம்மளோட.
Yes, ma'am. We must impress them first of all. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Great.
sir.
Great job.
I wanted to teach my daughter in an innovative way. So I'm working and I was working on it. I'm very proud. Still, I am a learner. And it is not an ending, sir. It's just a beginning.
Great, ma'am. So it is just a beginning.
Just a beginning. Amen.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And once again, I would like to thank to Mr. Gopi and our team.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I thank each and every single person for making us so connective, so emotional on the last day, correct? So I hope this will be the unforgettable day for every one of us, correct? Thank you. I wish all of you to be successful in your life. Okay, thank you so much for joining in our session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and all the best for all the participants.
Thank you. Thank you so much. ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you,
So
sir.
actually,
Thank you all of us.
Sharmila ma'am, this was fulfilled. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
sir.
she asked us to do it. Yes, we did it, ma'am, only for you. Yes, ma'am. Great, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great evening.